spinning and winning slots. Sitting here playing 2-cent denomination, dollar bet on, what's that one? Got some hearts on lightning link. So there we go. We hit the hold and spin feature. It was good because we were down to not much. What do we have left? $1.67. So here we go. We got a little bit going. We got 10, 15, 17, yeah, 28 bucks. So let's do some spinning and winning, okay? Let's go for an adventure. We're playing for a $100 minor, $20 mini, $525 major, and of course an $18,000 grand. So let's do this, and let's go spinning and winning. Ready, guys? Here we go. Come on, put something with words out there. At least slam in some more hearts. Come on. There we go. Another $10, $11. Come on. Nope. 2. Come on. Something with words. Let's go. Another 2. Oh, I just saw the minor go by. Come on. Something with words. Please and thank you. Even mini at this point. Come on. Hit it. There we go. Saved us. Okay. Let's fill this in. Come on. Just saw the mini go by. Hit it. Do it again. Come on. Just fill this up for the grand. Hit it. Again. Come on, do it. Give me this grand. Okay, guys. All right. It's a good little screen filled up. Not a high dollar, but we'll take it because we're spinning and winning. There we go. Let's pull back a little bit. There we go. 47. We'll take it. A little bit of a coin show there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click on that bell icon for further notification of videos. Definitely make sure you're smashing that thumbs up and leave me a comment. It's always nice to talk to everybody about spinning and winning. There we go, guys. Kind of needed that. Started out with a $100 bill and was playing $2.50 a bet on 10-cent denom. Triggered one little line hit for like $16, and it just started sucking it in after that. So I switched to nickel for a few spins, went to $1 for 2-cent denom, and that's where it was hitting. So that's where you caught up with me at. We're a little bit of our money back, so I'll take a few backup spins here and let's see what we can do. Let's do some spinning and winning. Thought for sure when I was playing the 10-cent denom, like every spin I had 2 moons. I thought it was going to moon me, but I guess not. There we go, guys. It mooned us. It likes this 2-cent denomination. 50-cent bet. Well, it makes it $1, but all right. We got the free games. Let's see what we can do now. Let's get my money back plus some. We need to move back into that profit territory. All right, here we go, guys. We're spinning and winning. Oop, 2 times. Nope, nothing with it. 2 times, but we didn't get anything on that back 2 times to line it up with. I don't think. No. Come on, let's line these up. Be nice to get the bonus in the bonus. Or even re-trigger here. Oh, wow. Got those multipliers on the wilds and just nothing to go with it. All right, last spin here. Let's do this either big or go home. Because right now we're only at about $4. Come on, line them up. Ooh. There we go. A couple multipliers with kings. I see the dove flying around there a little bit. And I think that's about all we got. About $10 maybe. Yeah. $4.97 times 2. Alright, guys. Yeah. You never know, that was quick. So we caught that. All right, let's give it a couple more backup spins again and see what happens. Come on, moon us. There. Give us that Holden spin again. Because my heart's racing and throbbing. And that's what, of course, we're playing, this Heart Throb, so. Come on, hit it. Oh, evil. Look at the numbers on there, guys. $10, $7.50, and 2 twos. So we're looking at 20, 15, and 4 and 4. Come on, hit it. That's the other 2 we needed. See if we can't get it. A little bit of jacks with wild. Come on, hit it. Candy. And a lot of noise. There we go, guys. Bonus again. Back, they mooned us here on Heart Throb in New Buffalo, Michigan. It's a beautiful Four Winds Casino. All right, let's see what we get this time. Let me press that button and let's do some more spinning and winning. Oh, hit it. Damn. Come on, hit that. All right, we got multipliers, but man, we got blocked by those hearts. You know, so we got not much off those box of chocolates. Come on, line these up, hearts. Come on. Do that or moon us or give us a really good hit. 2 more games. I want those hearts. Let's do the Holden spin. Drop us something with words on it. Come on. Do that or line those multipliers up big time. Come on. Close. All right. We got some packages. Got some doves. That'll add up probably to, yeah, we got a little bit of a add up there at the top of the screen. That might be about $10, $15. So that's okay. What happens when we're spinning and win? You take what you get, and you're happy with it. I mean, I'm slowly adding my money back up here that I lost. Been a pretty good day. I was only down 50, and that's until I got in this machine, and it was like, ouch. All right, that's better than I thought. Almost $18. All right, we got one more game. Come on, hearts, hearts, hearts. Or a little bit of multiplier and presents again. All right, it's 23 bucks. Not bad. Go back up to 70. You know, only leaves me 30 down. So let's try this again and give it a few backup spins. See if we can't trigger again one of these other bonuses. Like to get that Holden spin. Oh, of course, right there's 3 hearts and 3 diamonds. Can I trade one in for the other? No, it's been mooning us here at Four Winds Casino. Maybe it'll moon us again. Some pictures. All right, let's switch over to the other spin button. See if we can't. Oh, that's not bad. 5 of a kind there straight across with the wild. That's $1.30. Come on, there's some presents. Some 10s and some doves. $1.16. Come on, let's moon us. Either that or give us the Holden spin. A little bit of everything there on that reel. Oh, 250 heart made that big ping. All right, come on. Let's try something. Let's move it up to let's move up to nickels. We're gonna play $1. Let's play $1.25. I'm just gonna play this back down to 50, and if we get anything, great. If not, oh, get it. Oh, 5 of them. Oh, king straight across. I don't know whether we caught that fifth one or not. I don't think so. All right, come on, give us hearts. Come on. Hit us. All right. We got about 2 spins, guys. Last one. Oh, and that fifth moon was right up above. Let's give it another one. Okay, couple more. Hit it. Oh. Thought it was going to drop there on that last one, but I guess not. No. All right, guys. That was the last spin. I'm going to move on to another machine. See what we can't do some spinning and winning elsewhere. Thanks for coming along on the journey. Make sure you smash that thumbs up. Subscribe. Click on that like icon. Smash it. Hit it with a hammer. Do whatever you want to do to it. Kick it. Pinch it. Just do it. Okay, guys. Thanks for spinning and winning. Have a great evening. Cheers.